This tool set is used to separate ball joints from a car control arms and remove tie rod ends. Part 3 of smart tools that make car repairs easy and fun. I believe these tools will make your car repairs more efficient and faster. My name is Ishak Ahmed and this is AutoCare 360. The first tool is Ball Joint Separator and Tie Rod End Tools Set. This tool set is used to separate ball joints from a car control arms and remove tie rod ends. It facilitates suspension and steering repairs by providing a safe and efficient way to disconnect ball joints, preventing damage to components and making the process quicker and easier. It simplifies the removal process and reduces risk of damage to the steering system. It also ensures tie rod ends can be removed or replaced and serviced without damage to other parts or components. The next is axle nut socket set. These socket sets help to remove and install angle nuts quicker and easier. The sockets ensure proper handling of axle nuts, which are typically larger and require high torque. These specialized sockets are designed to fit precisely and withstand high torque needed to loosen or tighten axle nuts. Manually handling axle nuts takes time to loosen and tighten, and every mechanic knows it. If you have ever done that, or if you are doing that at your shop, please comment down in the comment section. Which of these tools will be helpful to you and which of them are you currently using? All the links in the description. Subscribe to the channel because I have more educational videos coming up for you.